You heard of it. Smack Pack Challenge. Ski Beats. Critically acclaimed. Famous producer. Made beats for Jay-Z, Camp Lo, Nas, Fat Joe, so many others. He has a challenge. His challenge is called the Smack Pack Challenge. This is Smack Pack Volume 13, and this is my entry for what I did to make my beat for this competition. When it comes to drums, I expect people to do some of the same What? What? Oh, that's nice right there. Change my view. You got some nice melodies. Try to find at least one. At this moment, I'm just taking a little time to go through the samples and find something I really like. Trying to find a great R&B sample, something that can really move and pump the vocals the way that I like it. When I found the main groove, what I wanted to do is I wanted to make a melody and kind of add a melody to the joint so it could really sound kind of, different, but have that pump and that flair to it, something really tight. I guess I should say pause. Kind of make it really, something that people will pay attention to. At the same time, I'm going to take this sample. It's a one sample. It's a stab. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn this into a key group. See, I'm working, trying to get it together. Find some drums. What I like about this pack is that the drums are amazing. I went through a number of the drum sounds and samples by the various guest producers, and I think I really found something I like, something that would make C-Red's vocals pop. Oh man, it's D-Ski. With every Smack Pack challenge, there's also a guest MC, and this guest MC gives us a verse. We're able to craft beats, we're able to basically practice and make a song and put it out there for the masses to hear it.
Yeah. Smack Pack Volume 17. Yeah. Smack Pack Volume 17.
C-Red, dope female MC. I kind of think she sounds like Bahamadia. She's kind of blowing up on Instagram and all the other social media pages, but Instagram more importantly. She got that, that low cadence to flow, but it's real particular. What I'm trying to say is, her flow is like really tight and really particular, with her, how she pronounces her words and how she presents her image. And I really like. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take her vocals. I want to get the BPM of the vocal. I want to try to get the beat matching of the vocal, and I'm just going to put it in the MPC, and I'm going to try to make it work and do what I do. You know what I'm saying? Do what I do. One, two, ready, go. Yo, can I tell you that these producers really did their thing? Dope samples, dope drums, dope effects, a lot of things that they really added. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go through the kit and I'm going to find something from the Smack Pack that will give me the drums that I'm actually looking for. Well, one thing that I really like is drums. I'm a drummer. So what I did is took some time to go through all the drum samples because I really wanted to see what I could use to bring the best out of her vocals and the sample that I'm going to use. Just going through the sounds. Ooh, uh-oh. Time stretch, yeah. Original tempo 74. I want to take it to 90. I probably should have got her vocal first. All right, let's see. All right, just for speed's sake, I'll go back and chop it up later. But I'm gonna get the ready. I like that one. One thing I would say is that the producers did not put like the BPM on the so sometimes you got to go and find the BPM. The way I do it is I just BPM with the BPM. Like if I play it. That's kind of like on some old Easy Mo B. He would chop that up like perfectly. Everybody take an opportunity. I want you to go to my Gumroad. The link is in the description. You'll probably see a card somewhere up above my head. Go there, check out the sounds. I got the Bon Appetit kit. It's a kit that I made earlier this year. I revamped it this year, add some flex beat to it, reversed the samples. It's my melodies, things of that nature that I added is actually songs that I made and made them into samples. Then I have my older kit. It's the Gorilla kit, a bunch of drums that with found sounds that I went in a warehouse, and, clanks, crashes, gates, all kinds of things. I used them, added them to drums. It was a success. It was a hit. I got my newest kit, my latest kit that's out. It's called the Gorilla Instruments. It's just bass and keys. This is the Essentials pack. There'll be another pack that's going to be bass and keys and drums that's probably going to come out later. And what this does is just gives you some sounds that you can put into your SP404, any standalone device, your MPC. You can even use it for your DAW. You can just drag and drop. I like the fact that it's the actual sounds that you can take, and once you take them, you can put them into your MPC and you can turn them into key groups, and you can make bass sounds and key sounds out of them. Everybody, make sure you support. Link is in the description. So now what I want to do is I want to time stretch this but I want to check it out again. Now, I use the trusted MPC Live 2 to make the sketch of the beat. That's something that I kind of do. I make the sketch of the beat in my MPC Live 2. I'll do a little light mixing, things of that nature, just really trying to get my ideas together because, I kind of like the tactile feel of it. Then what I'll do is I'll take it and dump it in Ableton. But at this point, what I'm doing is I'm going to take the sample, I'm going to time stretch it. I'm going to find the BPM, and then I'm going to time stretch the sample. Alright, so now I'm gonna re-record it. 1, 2, and ready, go, and. That's off a little bit, so I wanna. See, one thing about it, the samples, some of them do not have the BPM associated with it. So what you have to do is you really have to go through and you really have to find the BPM of the song. It's easy with the MPC. It may not be accurate all the time, but all you got to do is tap tempo. As the sample is going, you tap tempo, and that's what I'm going to do here. As C-Red's vocals are going and the original track is playing, I'm just going to go ahead and tap the tempo.
Yeah. Smack Pack Volume 17, speaking euphemisms, ain't in the mood for prisms. My speech is fluid like oxygen with H2 collisions. I'm more practicing prophecy than they superstitions. They gon' say they ain't watching me, why they moving different. I'm real big on forgiveness, cause I don't use permission. They strive for cash and with shower lace kicks like shoes in prison. Holy Spirit, make sure that my genes ain't true religion. Be too quick with responses and you can't truly listen. My flow is butter, is super liquid, I'm stupid lifted. Ballistics like shells and pewter bricks when the shooter misses. Super gifted lessons got gravity like I tutor physics. Newton theory, energy, power make the acoustics different. Ski sent the smack pack, we looped and flipped it. Knew I'd be the one to add a 16 and lose it. Guarding my tulips cause they bouquets artificial and tube it. I compute it, it's essential to think abstract is Q-tip.
Watch what I do here. I'm not going to use your traditional chop like everybody else when they chop samples. One of my guys, his name is Red. He's down with Dirty Old Men. Shout out to Gadget and everybody. Dirty Old Men, down with Gadget. PG County. What up, Red? He does this chop thing where he doesn't chop like everybody else. He'll chop the first and the third, the fifth and the seventh. He'll chop those alternative samples and alternative pads just to get that sample out there and just do different things because you want a different sound and you want to try different things to find the best combination of samples you can possibly do. If you want to see more about sampling, let me know. Let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely make some more how you sample this or different ways to sample. Let's get back into it. Ooh. Coming on and being on here and commenting and supporting and stuff like that. I truly appreciate it. I want to say thank you. Don't forget, support the channel. We got samples for the SP404, stuff for the Maschine Plus, stuff for the MPC Live 2. Make sure you check us out. Make sure you support us. And we just want to thank you for tuning in to Civil Days Music. It means a lot. All right, everybody. Y'all have a good one. This is Dayson signing off.
Can't speak in euphemisms, ain't in the mood for prisms. My speech is fluid like oxygen with H2 collisions. I'm more practicing prophecy than they superstitions. They gon' say they ain't watching me, why they moving different. I'm real big on forgiveness, cause I don't use permission. They strive for cash and with shower lace kicks like shoes in prison. Holy Spirit, make sure that my genes ain't true religion. Be too quick with responses and you can't truly listen. My flow is butter, is super liquid, I'm stupid lifted. Ballistics like shells and pewter bricks when the shooter misses. Super gifted lessons got gravity like I tutor physics. Newton theory, energy, power make the acoustics different. Ski sent the smack pack, we looped and flipped it. Knew I'd be the one to add a 16 and lose it. Guarding my tulips cause they bouquets artificial and tube it. I compute it, it's essential to think abstract is Q-tip.